Hi guys, we have a nice Olympiad question that we have if a minus b over c minus d equals 2 and a minus c over b minus d equals 3, then we should find a minus d over b minus 3. So we have to find a form of here, and we should find a from this equation. Then we have a is equals 2c minus 2d plus b, and from here we should find a. From here we have a equals 3b minus 3d plus c. This is easy to find a from there. So we have two equations that left side is a, so right sides is equal together. So we have 2c minus 2d plus b equals 3b minus 3d plus c. Now here we bring b to right side, so we have 3b minus b, and left side we have 2c minus 2d, and we bring minus 3d to left side and c to left side. So now we have here minus 2d plus 3d, we have d here, and 2c minus c, we have c here, and right side we have 2b. So here we can divide both sides on 2, so we can cancel out this. We have b equals d plus c over 2. Now we have, according to this, we have a is 2c minus 2d plus b. We put b here. A is equals 2c minus 2d plus d plus c over 2. From here we have a is 5c minus 3d over 2. We have a from this. So our finding was a minus d over b minus c. So we have a from here and put 5c minus 3d over 2 minus d over, we have b from here, from here, as you see, from here. So we put b c plus d over 2 minus c. Now here we have 2 and 5c minus 3d minus 2d over, we have here 2c plus d minus 2c. So we have here 5c minus 5d over 2 and d minus c over 2. So we can cancel out 2 from here and here. So we have 5c minus 5d over d minus c. And here we have 5 common here. We can take it out. 5 times c minus d. And here we should take this form of this. And we can take it out. Minus 1. We have c minus d. So we can cancel out c minus d. And we have negative 5 our result. If you enjoyed that, don't forget to subscribe me. Bye guys.